Hello everyone, welcome to Agro Inspiration. Today this video is for investor. This one is for investor. That's how you want to invest your money inside agriculture. That's how you want to. Today I'll be teaching people on how to extract seed from your cocoa. Cocoa is a very cash crop, very powerful cash crop. This one, if you invest it in this one, if you invest in it, your children will like benefit in this. So this one is a great time investment. So it's not like for any type of person. Is this one is mostly for investors, him that will have his money and want to invest in something. I advise you to invest in this cocoa. There's cocoa, there's coffee, there's plantain, there are other like palm trees, palm to do oil, palm for oil. So those are the type of things that you can invest. And even pear, you can invest in pear, you can invest in plum. But I mostly advise in this because this one is the whole world. The one is worldwide because they use it to make chocolate. They use this to make so many things, biscuits. They use this for so many things. You can name them. So this thing is cocoa. So many people don't know as how to do the nursery, and many people don't know as how the importance and how to extract the seed. So if you have, you can buy your cocoa like this, that is still fresh like this. You can buy in your quantity. So in this my video, I'll be teaching you how to nest your cocoa at home. So in this video, I'll show you the main step and as how to nest it. You get as how to nest it and as how to extract the seed and keep it. It should be ready for nesting. So this video is mostly for investors who that want to invest his money in another activity apart from his work, that want to invest his money, that want to enlarge himself, that want to do a great time investment. And cocoa stay for 3 years it start producing, but it make 6 months. Cocoa makes 6 months in the nursery. So I'll be showing you how to do your nursery at home. So follow and see the procedure as how I'll be doing the nursery. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share to others who want to invest their money and want to invest in agriculture. So I'll advise he or she that have his capital that want to invest in agriculture and to invest in cocoa. And I'll be showing you when I'll finish the nursery, I'll be showing you the dimension as how they plant it in 1 hectare, how many is needed, and as how it is, and as how it grows. It's very simple. It's not too complicated. The only stage that is complicated is the nursery. So the nursery, that's why I've taken time today to do you a video and to be doing videos so that you always see as how to nurse your nursery and as how to care for your nursery up to the transferring stage. When you reach the transferring stage now, there is no more difficult. There is now to just clear and treat and wait for your 3 years. You start harvesting and making your money. You know, in agriculture, when you invest, you have to collect back in 100-fold. And what I love in agriculture is when you invest very well in agriculture, the benefit that it will give you, it will be more than profitable. It will be more than what you were expecting when you find a fertile land and when you find a nice place and take care for the crop that you are planting. So in this video, so this our cocoa that I asked. I wanted to do some videos to show you how they do the nursery. So this our cocoa. I'll be breaking it to extract the seed. When you extract the seed, you have to keep it for at least for 3 days under sun. It should dry. When it dry, you disinfect it. When you disinfect it, so I'll be showing you all the process. After when it dry, you disinfect it. After disinfecting it, you plant it, you nest it. So we usually nest it inside polythene paper. So I'll be showing you all that. So you should take time and really watch to the end and subscribe so that when I'll be moving other video, you usually see. It don't take too much your time. This investment don't take too much your time. So this how you broke it like this. Don't turn the colors in the good side, turn in the bad side so that it may not harm the fruit them. the seed them inside. So this is it. As people can see, this is the seed. That's how you can also take this and dry and sell and make your money. This is also the same way that you can also take it and nest it in such to extract your seed. As people can see, people have seen the seed. People have seen it. So now we'll be like opening it. So if you have so many, just find a piece of place to extract it. When you extract it, you keep it like you open it. As people can see, you open it. You take the next one, you break the next one. You open it and you dry it. We have to dry it like this. We have to dry it like until it dry. When it got dry very well, you can now take it and nest it. And I will show you how to nest it and as how to nest it. So like this, we'll keep it so that it should dry. When it will dry, we'll come and nest it very well. So if you that you are interested to invest in cocoa plantation, you that is interested to invest in cocoa, like and subscribe so that I'll show you and I'll teach you as how to cultivate cocoa. Thank you.